Recording sound for film and movie production is a very complex but very important process. That's why a bad video with good sound is much more forgiving than a good video with bad sound in video and movie production.
Chillen Media, a multimedia and communication company with our prime objective: provide professional audiovisual services like music recordings, video coverages, and photography, TV branding, TV installation and programming, provide media content to your TV, and it's a professional advertisement agency. You can contact us using the number 697 87 29 76 or 677 29 1300. C Media. Creativity is never enough.
Here at C Media, recording sound in film and movie production, it's very, very important to us. That's why we actually extract our audio production studio to your film production set, just to ensure that you get the best recording of sound as crispy and professional as possible. Right in front of me, we have a list of some of the equipments we use in recording sound in film production. I will start with microphone stands and boom poles. Right here we have a very light aluminium made boom pole that can extend as long as possible. This is another boom microphone pole. This one is actually a microphone stand that is a boom pole. You can extend it. You can also extend it as long as possible. This can be used for indoor sound booming. It can also go as high or as low as possible. Okay, here we have a table microphone stand. This is good for podcasting, radio presentation, etc., etc. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting editions. For more information, registration or equipment hiring, log on to www.chillenmedia.com or contact the numbers on the screen. I am Nkwain Chiambah, and this is C Media Television and Audiovisual Production Guide. Bye-bye.
If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our blog for more videos and updates. Also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our channel.